Hello everyone. Hello Rutherfordium. Hello Sarunar. What is N po in math? N is a number usually. Same lang siya sa X. Okay. Wait. Yes. Shared the live. Thank you for sharing the live. Yes, let's get more people in here so we can start. Good evening, Bricks. Hello, dinosaur emoji. Okay, today we are doing Jom still. What if you have any questions about your course choices or universities, you can ask now while we're waiting for people. I know math, but I have low memory. All you need to memorize naman in math is more of formulas and formulas lang. Pero sa physics chem, hello Isa Lenore, you're early. Kyle A. Lim, shout out daw. Hello Mikey. We're gonna continue Jom today, guys, until number 28. So hopefully you did it already. And then, I don't know. I don't know where we're gonna end. Hindi marinig? I can see. Hello? Hello? Pero pangit yung mic. Am I right? I think this one is not. Wait, guys. Wait. This is the webcam mic. Is it okay? Is that okay? The webcam mic? Yes, I post my lives on YouTube. Okay. Is it better? Because I have a mic, but I don't know why it's not working right now. It has to work. It's okay, parinig yung hangin. My aircon is so loud, guys. I don't know why. Wait, guys. I have to get a new mic. Why's my mic not working? Audible naman. But rinig yung... Yeah, malakas yung hangin, I can see. Hello everybody. If you're new here, make sure to follow while I fix my mic. Okay, we're gonna use this mic for now. Let's see if we can get it to work. Letter C? Wait lang. Wait lang. Make sure to share the live while we're waiting, guys. Okay. Hello. Okay, that's not changing. Huh. What is this one? Hello? Naka-webcam mic pa rin. Wait. Hello? Hello? It's not this. Hello, hello. Which mic is better? This one or the one kanina? I'm gonna restart the live. This one or the one kanina? The webcam or the laptop mic? While I try to make my other. Yung kanina? Okay. Amazing, amazing. Sorry, everybody. Ba't ganon? Do you do proofs? So far, not yet. But we did that in college. Kanina po parang tin can po mic. Okay, parang tin can daw. Hala! Ayaw gumana. Wait lang. Maybe I get my mic from my brother. He took my mic kasi. Yes, I post this on YouTube. Sorry to the YouTube people if you have to skip ahead. It's been 7 minutes, by the way. But I'm gonna try to... Oh, okay. Okay. Wait, guys. I got it. Hello? Is this one better? I think this one's the best one. Say yes if better or the one kanina. Okay, we're back. Thank you so much to Dior for bringing it up. Why is it like this? Okay. Let us. Kalahati lang sakop mo sa your live was full screen? Kalahati lang sakop mo sa screen. What do you mean your live was full screen? Like, on the camera? What's your question, Jojo? I don't know. Ultimate tip for self-reviewing. Pag tinatamad kayo, guys, you can go to a cafe, but it's kinda expensive. So, what I would do is Pomodoro method. Do you guys know the Pomodoro method? Every 25 minutes, my pomofocus.io. It's a website na once kasi you lock in for 25 minutes, you're not allowed to leave. Tapos, you have to stay there and keep studying. Tapos, after 25 minutes, you can take a break for 5 minutes. Hello, Nico. We were doing a whole, like, fixing the mic for around 8 minutes. And you just came now that the mic is fixed. Huh, is my mic broken? This is so sad. Pythagorean triples, you can look back on my YouTube channel. YouTube channel has the... Guys, wait, I'll check something. Is this better? I took off. There's like noise cancelling, I think. Is that better? Or with the noise cancelling thing? Or without? Okay, thank you. We're gonna keep it like that for now. Sorry, everybody. I am a one-man team. Well, I update. Yes, we update the annotated file, so you can get the annotated file of this on my Instagram channel or TikTok bulletin. The links are there. Mahina daw. Malabo pa din. What about now? Sorry, I can't keep the mic away from me then. Parang malayo. Guys, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna hold the mic na lang. Clip it. It doesn't sound as good if I clip it. But yes, I can clip it here. Hindi daw nakafocus. Okay lang yan, guys. Malalim po ba Filipino sa upcut? Yes, more likely malalim siya. Okay, I'm gonna clip it while it tries to focus on me. Okay. What's PMO? No, I haven't tried it. Are we ready? Answer this question while we're waiting. If you guys have any more comments. Also, let me know if I should take off the parang background noise thing because I can take it off naman. This is the background noise. This is with the noise cancelling. This is without it. This one's without. So without or with? Without with the noise cancelling. Without the noise cancelling. Without. Hala. With. Okay. There's more. I see more with. Okay. We're keeping the with. And then, okay, let's start with number 14. Paulit-ulit tayo sa question na to. But, yes, let us answer it. Ang pentagon ay may ilang bilang na diagonal. I feel like pentagon is the easiest one because you can just draw it. If hindi nyo alam yung formula, guys, all you can do is draw it. Kaso, pag malaki na yung binigay na shape, mas mahirap na siya. I should put this down. Okay. Our lesson now is pieces function. No, I don't think that's hard. Okay, so we're just gonna draw how many can you connect. How many points can you connect na hindi sila magkatabi? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the formula for this is n times n minus 3 over 2. Okay? So this is the formula. Ngayon ko lang to na-memorize ever in my life. Letter B is the answer. Okay, very basic, very basic. Next, number 15. Ano yung N? Nasaan yung N? N is the number of, kunyari pentagon, di ba? N is equal to 5. So, N is the number of sides. Kung ilang side. For example, if yung question is a 20-sided polygon, ilan daw yung diagonal? All you have to do is ipasok yung 20, N is equal to 20 dito sa formula. Okay? For example, dyan papasok yung 20 kasi hindi mo siya madodrawing. Like, how will you draw a 20-sided polygon? So, mahirap yun. Madali lang yung pentagon kasi 5 sides lang siya. Okay, next question. Next question. Can we get it to 10k likes, guys? Why is today so quiet? Let me just put on some eye drops. Also, I'm gonna make the camera focus first. Hello? Why are we blurry, right? I don't know. My mic is not working and then my camera is not working. Like the world hates me right now. Let me just put on my thank you Dit for the rose. If you guys don't know, I got LASIK in first year college because I did not want to wear glasses in school. Yes, at least I found my medal. Thank you, armpit hair. Mooncat? What's a mooncat? So yes. Did it hurt? Yes, it did. I'm not rich. I had to ipon that because I have scholarship allowance, guys. Okay, are we clear? Okay. I think my LASIK was on sale kasi my mom. Is it worth it? Guys, I looked like a nerd my entire high school, so I didn't want to look like that for college. For me, not really worth it if you don't care about wearing glasses anymore. Actually, like, during ngayon na, people wear glasses for style. Like, I just look ugly. Oh, armpit hair is the guy commenting. His name is armpit hair. See, 44455. Armpit hair. Malinaw na. I'll show you my picture. But I was like a nerd. So, I don't want to look like that anymore. Did you not see this is me, my vlog on the first day of school. You can check my TikTok. Well, I looked worse in grade 7, but yeah, I did not want to wear glasses anymore. Here, this is me, guys. Look. This is me and my twin brother. So we went to the same high school. Why do I look like that? That's so crazy. Okay, we're gonna continue now. Why do I look like that? Anyway, twin bro reveal. He doesn't look like that anymore, for sure. Really? In the first vid, I didn't like wearing glasses. Tapos my braces pa ako at the same time. So that was like double. I felt like such a nerd. Tapos, yeah. It wasn't Bayonetta glasses. I just looked like a nerd. Okay. No way. Like, ngayon uso na siya, but I felt like I was so ugly at that time. Tapos, eto pa. Wait lang. Like, why do I look so ugly? Here, I was fat here. Here, why do I look like that? Not the Snapchat filter. My CP is a Samsung Ultra. I do not like glasses. Anyway. Number 15. Let's continue. Thank you, but I don't think I look good. Really? I don't want to be cute though, you know what I'm saying? Hala, nahirapan na naman siya mag-focus. Why do you keep doing this, my camera? What if I get a better camera? One day. Anyway, let's continue. This tablet is a Samsung S9. It will focus later, guys. Just wait for it. Number 15. Do you want a poll? Who wants a poll? Wala na yung competitive last time. Let's turn on the poll for number 15. Tools. Back to start. Second question pa lang tayo, B. Okay, number 15. Ang parehaba na may haba na 4 na sentimetro ay may lawak na katulad ng isang parisukat na may gilid na 8 sentimetro. Ano ang perimeter ng parehaba? Hala ka. What? I don't even know that. Okay, we're gonna go through this together while you guess in the poll. Siyempre, hindi niyo yan sinagutan. Why is this, grabe naman ang blur na iyan? Hello? What if I open the light? Wait lang, guys. A for me? Is it A or C for Christ again? Hello? Okay, I'll deal with that later. Let's answer this first. Need ng lazy. Is the answer A or C? More people are voting A right now. So, I think a parihaba is a rectangle. So, let's draw a rectangle. Remember, in geometry, it's best for you to draw whatever is going on. May haba na 4, 4 cm. May lawak na katulad ng isang, this is the width. This is the length, width. And its width is, what's parisukat? Square? Square? Kala ko ano. Ano yung recta? Ano yung triangle? Parisukat na may gilid na 8 centimetro. So, 8. Right? Tama ba? May up, haba na 4 na sentimetro at may lawak na katulad sa parisukat na may gilid na 8 centimetro. Ano ang perimeter ng parihaba? Isn't it 8 plus 8 plus 4 plus 4? Pero dapat 24 yung sagot dun. 2 times, yeah, dapat 24, di ba? Right, right, right. The blur kinda eats. It looks like I'm afraid to show my face. It will fix itself later, guys. Don't you worry. Feel ko lawak. Ah, lawak. Oh, lawak daw. Lawak daw ay area. Hala kayo guys. Bagsak na ako. Area daw ang lawak. Tama, tama. So, ang square ay may gilid na 8 cm. So, ano yung lawak niya guys? Ano yung lawak niya? 64. 64, yes. Why is it 64? Because the area of the square is equal to side squared. And then given na 8 cm ang gilid ng square, so that's equal to 8 squared, which is 64. So same daw sila ng area. So 64 ito, 64, ito din 64. So paano natin makuha yung side, yung isang gilid na to guys? How will we do that? Since given na 4 itong nasa ilalim, we know that the area of a rectangle is equal to length times width. So we have length times 4, right, is equal to 64. So what's the length, guys? Length is equal to, all you have to do is divide both sides by 4 para mawala si 4 dito. And that will give us 16. 16. Amazing. So now we know na this is 16. This will be 16, 16. And then, are we going too fast? Let me know. Let me know if you have any questions so far. All you have to do is get the perimeter, which means we have to add up all the sides. So that's 16 plus 16 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 40 cm. I-add up lang natin, guys. 16 plus 4 times 2. Or 16 plus 16 plus 4 plus 4. Oh my God, did you guys get letter A? Sino yung kinopya nyo? Sino yung nauna mag-A? This is grade 8. I feel like this is very basic. Pero Tagalog kasi siya. So, just take note, lawak means area. I don't know why I thought it meant width. But yes, tama yung guess ko. Amazing, guys. Just listen to your intuition because the intuition is always correct. But if your intuition is wrong, that's the sign you have to start training your intuition. I believe intuition can be trained. Bakit Tagalog? Sa UpCat kasi may Tagalog, may English, okay? May Tagalog, may English in all the parts, kahit science. I don't know how to refocus it, guys. There's like no... Look, it's focused on my hand. Where is my... Okay, next question. I'm gonna put up the poll for the next question. If manguhula kayo, ihulaan nyo na. Okay? Number 16. The width of the rectangle is half the length and is equal to the side of a square. The perimeter of a square is... Hala. Walang number. Is it B? May sumagot ng B. Hoy, wag kayo magkopyahan na. Hanggang 10 p.m. ka. Decision ka, Santi. Let's see. It needs LASIK. Wipe the lens. It's clean though. The lens is clean. Wait, is that gonna work? The poll is running, guys. Answer the poll over here. I'm gonna open the light. Let's try if the light will help. But I don't want... Is that gonna help? Hello? No, it's still focused on my hand. Let's see. Hello? Mamaya. Mamaya yan. Letter B daw. Tayo na pal. Pati sa TikTok may math na. Laging may math dito, guys. Letter C daw. Is it letter C? Madaming nagla-letter B, tapos sunod is letter C. So, nagkakopyahan ba kayo? Pwede ba palitan yung poll, yung sagot sa poll? Huwag niyo palitan na. Dapat yung unang pumasok sa intuition nyo, yun yung sagot nyo. So, let's see. The width of a rectangle is half the length. So, the width of the rectangle, let's first draw the rectangle. So again, when it comes to geometry, kahit upcut pa yan, kahit nagmamadali tayo, oh my God, it's back. We're back, guys. What happens if I turn the light off? Oh, we're still back. Amazing. Okay. Oh. See, lumilinaw din ang lahat na in the first place, hindi ka naman talaga niya mahal, you know? So this is letter L, and then this is 1/2 L. So the answer is letter B according to the poll. Let's see if it's right. 1/2 L is the width, tapos ang sabi, the width of the rectangle is half the length and is equal to the side of a square. So the square is 1/2 L, diba? Square is 1/2 L. Watching from Nigeria. Hello from Nigeria. Nasa math nga tayo. Ano ba sinasabi ko? Wala akong sinasabi, guys. That must have been the wind, you know. The perimeter of the square is... So, perimeter, guys, is just adding up all the sides. So, if 1/2 L to, and then square siya, actually, pag square, you don't have to add up all the sides. Pero, same lang yun, guys. You can add it all up like this. Or, a square, perimeter of a square is equal to 4s, okay? Multiply lang by 4 kasi a square has 4 equal sides. So that's 4 times 1/2 L. And then this will give you 2L. Okay? So the answer is letter B. Amazing. Amazing, guys. How did you get that right? That's so crazy. Operation integers. What does that mean? Letter B. You got it right. Did you guess or did you actually answer it? What's Okay, next question, next question. Gamit gamit na gamit ito sa quantity surveying. Really? I don't see how it will be used, but that is amazing if it is. Lesson, this is around grade 8, I feel. Grade 8 jom. Intuition. Wrong solution, still right. Amazing, somebody. It doesn't matter the solution, guys, because in the UPCAT, they won't ask for your scratch paper. I mean, you'll have to submit it, pero hindi nila ito-check. So, kahit manghula lang kayo sa UPCAT, okay lang. So, again, if you're new here, my tip is to answer everything. You shouldn't skip kahit right -1/4 wrong siya, okay? What do you mean definitely not grade 8? You mean harder than grade 8 or easier than grade 8? Okay, number 17. Can we get to 25K, guys? I'm just gonna drink water. Sila ba magpo-provide ng scratch? Yes. I think bawal ka. Pencil lang yung dadali niya doon. Pencil, eraser, and snacks. Yes. What grade am I? I just graduated college. You see my toga at the back. Perimeter ng buong bahay ang kinoconsider to determine the quantity of construction. Wow! I can't believe we actually use math in real life. Well, if hindi kayo mag-engineering, you don't need it. So, guys, if you're gonna take something like med-related or arts-related, you just have to get through this last math test of your life. Books in the back, those are just like kids' books. So, I have Diary of the Wimpy Kid and Dork Diaries, and then my my childhood books. You can see them in my videos. Also like Roald Dahl, if you know him. He wrote Charlie and the Chocolate Factory and James and the Giant Peach. Those are the types of books I would read. Okay, number 17. We're putting up a poll while I answer it. So you have to guess now if you guys don't want to solve. Pero mag-solve kayo, guys. Ba't di kayo nagsasolve? I haven't watched Game of Thrones. Ini, mini, miny mo. Can you answer 17? Yes, you can. What do you mean? Like, yes, just answer it in the poll over here. There is letter A right now, but all the votes are equal. Okay, answer it while I answer it. The perimeter of a rectangle is 70 mm. So right away, guys, draw a rectangle. The height is 1 less than 3 times the base. Huh? Why is there a base? What is the length of the base? Okay, so let's say the height or this part is 1 less. So, gawin natin x to. Kasi yun yung basehan. Tapos, 1 less than 3 times the base. So, this is 3x minus 1. Okay? Do we get that so far? We make it 3x minus 1 kasi 1 less than 3 times the base. And base is x. Okay? So, what do we do next? What is the length of the base? So, alam natin na perimeter is 70 mm. Bawal shift solve, bin chilling. When in the upcat, bawal ang shift solve kasi bawal mag-calcu. So, either manghula kayo or mag-manual kayo. Okay, so what are we gonna do? We know na this is also 3x minus 1. This is also x. And we're gonna get the perimeter. So, perimeter is adding everything up. What's a perimeter daw? Perimeter is when you add up all the sides of a shape. So, the perimeter of a triangle is when you add up this plus this plus this. Yung area naman, yung area is when you get the shaded region, yung loob. So, area is yung loob, pero yung perimeter is yung labas. Ganyan. Yung length ng labas. So, how do we get the perimeter? Perimeter is the easiest thing in geom. Kasi yung area, iba-iba yung formula niya. Pero yung perimeter, lahat ay add mo lang. Okay? Hala, letter C ang sagot. C for Christ ang sagot ng mga tao. Ba't hindi kayo nag-vote? Onti lang yung bumoboto, guys. Takot ba kayo bumoto? Hindi naman kita yung pangalan nyo. You should just guess like for your intuition practice. Okay, so what are we gonna do here? The perimeter, the formula of perimeter, guys, is perimeter is equal to 2 times length plus width. Okay? 2 times length plus width, or basically add up all the sides. So, we know na 70 yung perimeter. 70 is equal to 2 times length is 3x minus 1 plus x. 3x minus 1 yung length, yung width or yung base is x. Okay, get so far? You just want to live? It's okay, guys. If you... Saan po ang poll? Wala na, guys. Okay, start ko. Ayan, may clue na kayo. Start ko yung poll. See yung nanalo kanina. The poll is over here. Somewhere here. You click the parang checkbox thing. I think it's over here. Somewhere here. Guess, guys, who? I'm on live. Later. No, mom and dad are home. Okay, so check over here. Hala, C na ang sagot ng mga tao. I didn't say C is the right answer, guys. I didn't say C is the right answer, by the way. But yes, you can guess for now. Nawala na yung mga bumoto ng A and B kanina. Hala, ayaw nyo din ng D. 2 votes pa lang sa D. Okay, so what do we do next? I'm gonna continue while you keep guessing over here. Hello to the 1K people. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. I'm gonna try to go live every night since July na yung last month natin together for the upcat. Because the upcat is on August 2 to 3. So, I'm gonna keep doing the lives. Okay? E daw yan. Ang daming votes ng E tapos wala sa B. Okay, let's continue. What do we do next, guys? We do 70. I think we can divide both sides by 2. Para mawala ang 2 dito, pwede natin siya i-divide dito, guys. Okay? Divide both sides by 2. This will become, what will it become? What will it become? Do your brains work that fast? Yes, Chen, it's 35. Okay. Tapos, we have to simplify whatever is left here. This will give us 4x, kasi 3x plus x, minus 1. Okay? 4x plus 1. Tapos, what do we do next, guys? We can transpose si 1 dito, magiging plus 1 siya. 35 plus 1. And then, that will give us 36 is equal to 4x. Divide both sides by 4. X is equal to 9. Yes, Lar and Chen. Hala, ang galing! Letter C ang sagot. When in doubt, C for Christ. When in doubt, C for Christ. So, the answer is letter C. Do you guys have any questions? Walang unit. Walang unit? Wala namang unit sa choices. Ayan. How was your grad? Co-intern, hello. Are you from Mondelez? Or you're late? It's okay. We've been here for 30 minutes pa lang. You're welcome. Makapasa kayo, guys. Lahat ng nagre-review dito. I feel like the win rate's around 80%. Last year, I kept saying 100%, but there were people who messaged me saying di sila nakapasa, pero thank you pa rin. So, nasaktan ako for them kasi sabi ko 100% yung win rate natin pag nanood kayo dito. Hopefully, I feel like I feel like it's 90%, 80 to 90% win rate. So you guys should stick around and follow me. Yes. Okay, next question. Are we ready? Distribution property, pwede din. You can distribute the two there, whichever is faster for you. Kasi kailangan mabilis pagdating sa upcat. Okay? Can you please fundamentals? If you guys want, you can watch the previous lives. It's over here in my YouTube, all the recordings. So far, I think we've done 15 lives. 15 lang ba? 15 lang ata. What lesson? This is Jom, guys. Jom. Basic Jom. Number 18. Hala, manghuhula ba kayo dito? Find the area of an isosceles trapezoid in the figure on the right if BC. So, pag ganito guys, ilagay nyo na yung measurements. BC is 8 cm. This is 8 cm. AE is 1 cm. And BA is 2 cm. Ooh. Does anybody know the formula for, di ko gets, graduate na po ako ng UP. Congrats! Gusto mo ba silang basbasan? Graduate na daw siya ng UP. Okay, so mahirap to guys. Mahirap itong question na to. Medyo mahaba. So what we're gonna do first is what is the formula of yes, A plus B over 2 or base times height. Yes, pwedeng tama ba? Base times height. Tama ba? Is it just base times height? Hindi ba B1 plus B2 times H over 2? Am I correct? I'm gonna check, guys. So I feel like it's this. B1 times B2 times H over 2. Yes. End call. Bawal end call. You can't leave the class until the class is done. A plus B over 2 times H. Okay, yan. So, what is B1 and B2? So, for the people who don't know, this is a trapezoid. So, hindi katulad ng triangle. Yung triangle, isa lang yung base niya down here, right? Pero sa trapezoid, it has this base up here and this base down here. So, yung formula niya, I don't know how I memorize it, but I just do. So, make sure to start memorizing your formulas for area. It's B1, which is this top one. Doesn't matter which one. And B2, which is this one over here. Tapos yung height niya, guys, is this one over here. This one is the height. Tapos, over 2 lahat. So, yan yung formula ng area. Now, alin yung meron na tayo? Meron na tayong B1. So, this is 8, right? Meron tayong B1. Meron na ba tayong B2? We don't have B2 yet, guys. So, can anyone tell me what B2 is? How do we get B2? Alam lang natin na 8 cm ito. And this is 1 cm. Yes, it's 10. You guys are so amazing. You know, when I first discovered the thing about trapezoids, I felt like I was so smart. But anyway, I guess everybody knows it. So let me just delete this over here so I can show you guys how we got that. So, we know that this is 1 cm. So kung 1 cm to guys, 1 cm din yung kabilang side kasi equal lang sila. 1 cm, 1 cm. And then as you can see, when you draw this 8 cm line, di ba 8 cm yan? You bring it down over here, ibig sabihin, equal sila, syempre. Kasi magkatapat lang sila. So that means the whole thing is 1 plus 8 plus 1 cm. Okay? 1 cm plus 8 cm plus 1 cm. Do we get that? Say gets if gets. So that equals 10 cm. Do we get? Hell yeah, somebody said. So, yung 8 cm natin guys, saan nanggaling yung 8 cm? Kinuha natin dito sa taas. Given kasi siya dito, okay? So, 8 cm lang yan. Binaba natin dito, equal lang sila. Kaya siya 8 cm. So, now we have that 10 cm C B2. So, we have 10 over here. 10, check. So, now how do we get the height? Height na lang ang hinahanap natin. So, ito yung height, guys. Wala pa tayong height. This is the height. So, how do we get the height? What are we gonna do here? This is, as you can see, so for the people who don't see it yet, Pythagorean, yes. So, how do you do the Pythagorean? This is a triangle, if you can see it. You guys see the triangle? And yung triangle na yan, may ilipat natin just so you can focus on it. Minsan kasi, kailangan natin ihiwalay, to set aside. Eh, hindi pala yun, ano. Okay, so this is 2 cm and this is 1 cm. So how do we get this side over here? How do we get this side over here? What we have to do is the Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem says a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So, thank you, Carlos. 2 something, 2 point something. This will give us a squared is 1 squared plus b squared. Hinahanap natin si b here, okay? Kasi c is always the hypotenuse, is equal to 2 squared. So this is 1 plus b squared is equal to 4, okay? So what do we do next? We move 1 to the other side. It becomes minus 1. Following so far. So, b squared is equal to square root of 3. Yes. Why is it? Ay, hindi pa. B squared is equal to 3. B squared is equal to 3 kasi 4 minus 1. Tapos, B is equal to square root of 3. So, now we have height. Hala, hindi pa yan B. Okay, height is equal to square root of 3. Now, what do we do next? So, i-add lang natin. That's 8 plus 10 times square root of 3 over 2 is equal to 18 square root of 3. Ang bilis daw. It's okay. Tell me which part you don't understand, guys, and I'll go back to it. Ask which part, like, which part do you don't understand? Paano nalipat yung 1 or paano naging 3? Just ask away. Thank you for following. Slow down. Just ask, guys, which part do you need for me to repeat? It's okay. Hindi ko gets kung saan ako nagkulang. Ako din. Char. Sa pink na part. Okay, sa pink na part. Paano daw nakuha yung pink na part? Kasi, because etong triangle here, I just put it back. We're trying to look for this thing here. We're trying to look for this height over here. Right? We're looking for this height, pero hindi natin alam kung paano natin siya mahanap. And the way for us to look for it is to focus on this triangle, okay? Focus on this triangle. Huwag muna natin tignan yung buong shape. Kasi pag nakita na natin yung triangle na yan, na 2 cm yung hypotenuse niya, and 1 cm yung side niya dito, we can tell na it's a Pythagorean theorem. So we can use the Pythagorean theorem for it. Okay? So this is 2 cm, this is 1 cm, and then hinahanap natin yung nawawala. Okay? Katamad. Grade level. Anong grade ba yung Pythagorean, guys? Feel ko grade 8. Hindi ba grade 8 ang jom? Ano po yung ABC ng triangle? Yung ABC ng triangle, guys, yung A and B, pwede silang mag-interchange. Pero yung letter C is always the longest side. So this is the hypotenuse. It's called the slanted one. So pagdating sa right triangles, letter C, or pagdating sa Pythagorean, letter C is always the hypotenuse. Okay? So squared to, 2 cm yung ginamit natin dito. 2 squared. 2 squared yan. Kaya C squared siya. Tapos, 1 is this one. And then si B or si X ang ginamit natin here. Same lang yan. Any variable you use. Nagugutom ka na, ba't hindi ka nag-recess kanina? Tapos na yung recess natin. Char. Nagugutom na po. Bawal magutom dito. Water break. Bakit wala kayong dalang tubig? Char. Okay. Any more questions about this part? Any more questions? Or we can continue. So from here, guys, we have 1 squared plus b squared is equal to 2 squared. 2 squared is equal to 4 squared. So simplify lang natin. 1 plus b squared is equal to 4. And then, tinranspose natin sa kabilang side. Kailangan kasi maiwan dito si b. Pag may letter tayo, kailangan maiwan siya para mahanap natin kung ano talaga siya. Right? So 1, we go all the way to the other side, magiging negative 1 siya. Yung 1 dyan. And then, that will leave us with b squared is equal to 3. Paano naging 3? 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. And then square root both sides. Square root, square root. So b will be equal to square root of 3. Bakit naging negative 1? When you transpose anything, so 1 siya dito sa side na to. Pag tinranspose natin, dumadaan siya sa equal sign. So, nagiging negative sign siya. Okay? So, ang saya. Okay. Paano po naging square root? Kasi b squared to, guys. So, this is b squared. Para maging b na lang siya, kailangan mawala yung square. So, need siya is square root. Pag square root mo both sides, kasi kung alin yung gagawin mo sa one side dito, yun din yung dapat gagawin mo sa kabilang side. Hindi pwedeng do unto others what you want others to do unto you. Ganon. So, you square root this side para mawala si square. So, magiging b na lang siya. Tapos, isa-square root mo din si 3. Kaya siya naging square dito. Okay? Okay. Next question. Hindi pa next question. Hindi ba negative positive? Anong negative positive? Okay, next question. Next question. Tutuloy na natin. My code. Nico, buhay ka pala. I thought you weren't chatting. I thought you left, Nico. Okay, next, how do we do this? So, alam na natin na 8. 8 is this one over here, B1. Tapos, okay, remove ko to. This is B1 is 8. B2 is 10. Nahanap natin siya kanina. B2 is 10. This is 10. And then, si square root of 3 ang height. So, nahanap natin yung height na square root of 3. So, 8 plus 10 times square root of 3 is equal, over 2, is equal to 18 square root of 3 over 2. And then, from here, guys, pwede na natin siya i-cancel. 18 divided by 2 will give us 9 square root of 2. 3, but naging 2. 3. Wow, we did it, guys. Can we give ourselves... Never mind. I was gonna give us a round of applause, but my mic echoes right now. So, woo! Saan niyo po nakuha yung mga questions? The reviewers are free, guys, on my Instagram. So, if you're new here, make sure to follow. We try to promote free education. Kasi UP is supposed to be free. So, don't pay for reviewers, guys. Lahat ng nagpapabayad ng reviewers scam yan. Kasi, yung mga reviewer, actually hindi yan akin. Pero, nung pandemic kasi, online lahat, diba? So, there were groups that were just giving out free reviewers. And I just kept those links. So, the links that I share in my Instagram highlight, those are all just links that I kept from when I reviewed 5 years ago. Okay? So, just check out the free reviewers over there so you can review the blank files. Pero if gusto nyo ng mga file na may solution na, in-upload ko din siya sa Instagram and TikTok bulletin. So, join lang kayo sa bulletin or Instagram channel. Thank you. Do you offer quizzes? Like my own made? I haven't made anything on my own. Pero sobrang daming reviewer dun, guys. As in, sobrang dami. I feel like there are 100 plus. Hindi nyo mauubos yun lahat kahit mag-aral kayo buong araw. Kahit buong araw for a whole month, hindi nyo yun mauubos lahat. Kaya, sulitin nyo na, guys. Like, sobrang daming free dun. Actually, hindi ko nga yung nagamit lahat eh. One time, nagbayad din ako sa, like when in 2020, I paid for a reviewer that was like 175 ata. Tapos, pag-scroll ko sa FB, naka-share siya for free. So, just don't get scammed, everybody. Propaganda you shouldn't fall for is reviewers for sale. Thoughts on the Maroon Blue Book? My thoughts on any printed reviewers is medyo mahal siya for me. They overprice it. I mean, technically, ginawa naman nila yung questions. Pero, how hard is it to make questions? You know, like, very similar din siya dun sa free questionnaire. So, just use the free ones, guys. The answer is letter A. Hala, C sagot nyo. C ba yung sagot nyo? Or hindi ko ginamit yung poll? Hindi pala tayo nag-poll dito. Okay, are we ready? Let's poll for the next question. Hanggang 10 p.m. lang, or 9:30. I'm not sure yet. Instagram is over here. See the name over here? My Instagram is over here. Over here. 19, let's open the poll. Restarting the poll. Make sure to answer the poll over here. Are you gonna guess or are you gonna solve? Guys, I might just have to finish whatever yung matatapos natin. So, hanggang 28 lang. But let's see if aabot pa tayo dun. Answer the poll over here, guys. Huwag kayo magkopyahan. Pag nag-review po kayo, paano nyo nalalaman na tama yung sagot nyo? Ako ang batas, so feel ko tama talaga ako. Char. Sa math kasi, like, I'm kind of sure na for math. Pero yung ibang reviewer, guys, on my Instagram, yung mga links dyan, meron silang answer key. Nasa dulo yung answer key. Pero, etong reviewer na gamit ko, wala siyang answer key. So, the reason why I like this reviewer, guys, lalo na if you don't know how to start, meron siyang lessons over here. Like, look, it has all the area formulas. Can you see that? If hindi nyo memorize, ito yung hinahanap natin kanina, di ba? Asa na yun? Here is the trapezoid. A plus B over 2 times H. So, ganyan siya, guys. Sobrang daming information and lessons niya. Pero, yung problem lang dito is wala ngang answer key. So, if you want something with an answer key para maging sure kayo, better to use the other PDFs. Yes, this is the 2014 one. I just graduated, guys, so I'm not a student anymore. Saan po yan pwede open with lesson? This one with lesson is the PTS reviewer. So, look for this one. In the first Instagram highlight, nung reviewer highlight, check this one, guys. The first story dun, nandun yung link na to. Search nyo lang PTS. Pag sinearch yung PTS sa Google Drive, lalabas siya. Pero yung ibang reviewer na maganda, basta check nyo yung mga may answer key. Okay? Sobrang dami din. Actually, hindi ko pa na-check yun lahat. Okay, number 19. Did you guys answer? Ang sagot ng mga tao ay B. Okay, let's see. The ratio of the side of two squares is 1:2. If the area of the smaller square is 16, what is the area of the larger square? Ooh. 16, 4, 8. Okay, very basic. Nakuha nyo na agad na B siya. But how do we get it if you don't know? I mean, just based on the choices, you can think about it na. Since 16 yung smaller square, okay, let's draw it. We don't have to draw this one, but we can draw it. 16 yung smaller square, so what's its side, guys? What is the side? Okay lang po ba if bago pa ako here? Madami po ba ako na-miss? It's okay if you missed it, guys, kasi hindi naman ako nagla-live in the daytime. So my suggestion is, if you're new here, you can rewatch the lives we have. All we do is math kasi. So, yeah, it doesn't matter if you weren't here the first time. You can just stick around and answer the questions on the spot. So, it's better if you answer with me, like pen and paper. But yeah, if you want to catch up on the old lessons, it's here on the YouTube channel. All the recordings are there. B for Bam Aquino, that's so slay. Do you know he came from my course? My course in Ateneo, that's the course Bam Aquino took. Okay, so if the area of the square is 16, area is equal to side squared. So, isa-square root lang natin siya. Ang square root niyan ay 4. Kasi 4 times 4 is equal to 16. So, 4 ang side ng smaller triangle. And yung ratio niya daw is 1:2. So, if 1:2 yung ratio niya, then 4:2, what is the bigger side, guys? If 1:2, 4:2 what? Yes, Zane, it's 8. 4:8. 1:2, 4:8. How did we get that? Multiply 1, how did you get 1 to 2? You multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. So, the same thing here, you multiply by 2. Okay? D for Coco Martin. Ang layo. Dapat C, diba? Okay, so, kung 8 ang side nito, what is the area? 8 times 8 is equal to 64. So, very basic. The answer is letter B. B for, I don't know why I was thinking biryani. I'm kind of hungry right now. Nico masyado, what? Ratio and proportion, yes. W, guys. Amazing. Hala, BBM. Sabi B for BBM. Gusto mo maban? Char. Ba't naman ganyan? Next. Lunch break? Gabi naman. B for... Next question. B for band. Joke lang daw. Ulit ate from the top. Okay, let's just do this quickly for the people who didn't understand. So given the ratio is 1:2, what? Ratio is 1:2. And then we have the area is 16.
Pop, pop, it's a moment. You know the candle will glowing. Gonna be golden.
Recess na daw.
Up, up, up.
Pwede po mag-CR? Sige, mag-CR ka muna. Ayan na ang ads. Kailan po ASET? It's around November usually, October to November. So we got 16, so just square root that, you get the side 4. From the side 4, you multiply it by 2, you will get 8. And then just square 8. 8 squared will give you 64. So that's how we get 64. You miss college? I miss college too. Somebody noticed you. They said K-pop Demon Hunters. There's just one person. Next song.
Next song.
The one that sounds like another song. The one I said.
This is what it sounds like.
Yeah, that one.
We're broken to a million pieces and we can't go back. I wanna live the beauty of the broken glass. This is this guy's a funny. This is what it sounds like.
Okay. Okay. For other sets, we actually studying for the OPCAT, I feel like will prepare you for other sets. Why?
No more studying, guys.
After you study for the OPCAT, you don't have to study for the other sets. Kasi the OPCAT, is the OPCAT the hardest? No? What's the hardest? ASET. My brother said ASET is the hardest. My brother, my younger brother took the exams 2 years ago. So yes, I didn't get to take the exam. Vitasoy Cafe Latte. Somebody named Vitasoy Cafe Latte shared the live.
What?
That's so amazing. Welcome to the live Vitasoy Cafe Latte.
It's so good.
This is my brother, guys. He's on the ads of Vitasoy. Shout. Okay, Squid Game or Upcat? I haven't watched season 3. Let's continue, guys. Are we ready? Let's restart the poll for number 20. One, let's answer this. A square with length 4 is circumcised. A square with length 4 is circumscribed in a circle. What is the circumference of the circle? Ooh. We're gonna make a circle. We're gonna make a circle. And then make a square. Does the square go inside? It says in a circle.
Yes, circumscribed in a circle.
Okay, so what is the circumference of the circle?
Length is 4.
4.
So, the distance
Mm-hmm.
between the 2 points
Yeah.
would be...
We're looking for the diameter. So the diameter is same as the diagonal of the square. Wait, how do you get the diagonal? How do you get this diagonal line over here? Using 4 as the sides.
Yes.
How do you get that, guys? People are leaving or not?
Hurry
Hurry up! Hurry up!
They don't like me.
Hurry up! You're so slow.
I don't know.
Yes, somebody. It's 45, 45, 90. It is a Pythagorean theorem. But it's also 45, 45, 90. Do you know 45, 45, 90? Anon?
Yes, 90
What?
is the hypotenuse.
Yeah, but what is the ratio of 45, 45, 90? What's the ratio? 1?
1 is to 2.
Nope, you're close.
2, 3.
Nope.
1 is to 1 is to what?
What is it?
45 plus 45 is 2.
It's not 1 is to 1 is to 2, guys. What's the ratio?
1 is to 1 is to...
What? Don't trip on my...
1...
It's square root of 2. 1 is to 1 is the square root of 2. If you guys don't know this ratio yet, go back to like the last few videos. We've been using this every day. So, how do we get the diagonal? You can use Pythagorean. What's the Pythagorean theorem? What's the Pythagorean if you want Pythagorean theorem? Why not? That's Pythagorean theorem.
I thought you were asking them. I don't know that.
What's the Pythagorean theorem? A
A
squared
squared plus b squared equals c squared.
is equal to c squared. So we know a and b is
45. 4,
4 squared plus 4 squared is equal to c squared. This is 16 plus 16. You're late, Luxy. It's okay. C squared, right?
32 is
32 is equal to c squared. Then square root both sides. So c is equal to square root 32 squared, which is 4 square root of 2. But this is a long way to do it, guys. So if you don't know the ratio, it's gonna be longer. But if you do know the ratio, which is 45, 45, 90, 1, 1 is the square root of 2. So make sure to remember this. By the way, my mic's not working, so if it's dead, I have to take back the mic. I don't know if it's dead, though. I'll fix it later.
I'm gonna.
So this is a square, guys, which means, okay, bye. Come back later. Okay, record it right now before I steal the mic.
Ah!
Bye. He's gone, guys. Next live, maybe tomorrow, guys. We're gonna try to go live every day because Upcat is in how many days, Nico? I feel like it's in 32 days. Halang bilis. 32 days? No, 33, I think. So, welcome Gojo-kun. Welcome to the new followers. Make sure to follow if you're new here. You have 30 days till the Upcat, so make sure to follow. Wag niyo i-remind. What's a remind that what? Yes. So, the poll said 17, by the way. Guys, you're not answering the poll. Only 35 people answered the poll. So, answer the poll over here. I restarted it. What was I gonna say? Oh, so we're gonna try to go live every day because you have to study every day because the upcat is so close, guys. You don't have to study every day parang yung everyday study is so that masanay kayo. Pagdating sa upcat, 6 hours kayo magte-test dun. So, it's a way for you na hindi mapagod or hindi ma-mind block yung brain nyo. How do you get 4 square root of 2? So, okay, we taught radicals already before, but basically, square root of 32, so we can simplify this. We know this is the same thing as 16 times 2. And 16 is a perfect square. So, ang 16, pwede na siya lumabas ng radical. And pag lumabas siya ng radical, magiging square root siya. Masa-square root siya. So, this will become 4. Lumabas na si 16. Tapos, si 2, hindi siya makalabas kasi hindi siya perfect square. So, may iwan siya sa loob. Which is why square root of 32 is equal to 4 square root of 2. Okay? You woke up, am I mad late? You're kinda late, bruh. But it's okay, guys. You can rewatch the live on my YouTube. I upload it every, like, the day after. So, if you guys are tired right now or you can't really focus, just watch it in the morning or kung morning person kayo. But yes, okay, next. So, I'm going back here because it's easier. This is 45 degrees. This is 90 degrees. And this is 45 degrees kasi nahati siya nung diagonal. So, yung itsura ng triangle na yan ay ganito. 4, 4, hinahanap ito. So, this is a 45, 45, 90 triangle. Which means, the ratio of this is 4 is to 4. And then, imumultiply mo lang siya by square root of 2. Kaya siya naging 4, 4, 4 square root of 2. Hi, Pineapple. Why are you using a different account? So, there we go. 4 square root of 2 is the diagonal. Pero hindi pa tayo tapos dyan, guys. Diagonal pa lang yan. What? Yes. Are we ready to move on? So, letter B pa rin ang sagot ng mga tao. So, this is the diagonal or the diameter. Diameter is 4 square root of 2. What do we do next? We're looking for the circumference. What is the formula for the circumference? Anong sign ng circumference? Is it C? Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Yes. It's 2 pi r and we know that D is equal to 4 square root of 2. So what is r, guys? What is r? Can somebody tell me what r is? What is r, everybody? R is the radius, yes, but what is the answer? Kasi diameter is equal to 4 square root of 2. It's not 4, it's not 2. Yes, Jeffer, it's 2, and Lily, it's 2 square root of 2. Bakit siya 2 square root of 2? Kasi, di ba ito yung diameter. Diameter, yung buong ito yung diameter. So, yung kalahati ng diameter, ayun ang radius. So, i-divide lang natin si 4 square root of 2 divided by 2. So, yes, this is the diameter, diameter is equal to yung buong line, radius is equal to 2 square root of 2. I-divide lang natin. So, what will happen next? What will happen next? This one is equal to, hindi pa yun yung sagot, guys. Wala pa tayo sa sagot. So, this is, circumference is equal to 2 times pi. Hala, wala kayong sagot dito. Times 2 square root of 2. 2 pi times 2 square root of 2 will give us 4 square root of 2 pi. 4 square root of 2 pi is supposedly the circumference of the circle. But the answer is not here. I feel like area yung ginawa nila. So check lang natin what the area would be. So the area would be 2 pi r squared, diba? Pi r squared, which is equal to pi times 2 squared of 2 squared. How do we square 2 squared of 2 squared? You have to square yung labas, square the labas, and square the loob. So square the labas will be 4. 2 squared is 4. And then square root of 2 squared is just times 2. So this will give us 8 pi. So kung area yung tanong, 8 pi ang sagot if area. Pero ang sagot if circumference ay 4 square root of 2 pi. Okay? If circumference. C if area. Do you have any questions? Same as 16. Sarap maging classmate. Wala na ako sa... Am I still allowed to listen even if I'm grade 11? Yes, actually, are you grade 11 right now? Next year ka mag-upcat, so this is actually very important. If you're grade 11 right now, you guys should actually focus on getting good grades. So, yes. So that pwede kayo mag-apply for good scholarships pagdating ng next year. Okay? Am I in college? I just graduated, guys. There's my toga on the back. I should put up my diploma somewhere. My big-ass diploma. Have you seen my big-ass diploma? It's too far away. But here's my medal, guys, if you're new here. Tulog na daw tayo. I'm gonna put up a poll. Tama na ba? Are we saying tama na? Or no? Wait, let me put up a poll. Do you guys want to continue? Poll, happy face if we want to continue, and sad face if tama na, hindi ko na kaya. Itigil na natin to. Here's my medal, guys. Happy face, continue, sad face, and look at my beautiful medal. So beautiful. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Happy face, continue, sad face, we want to stop this. I think we're not meant for each other, and I think I need some space. It's not you, it's me. But it's mostly you. And I just pretend that it's me so that I don't... Where do you get the test? It's on Instagram. Instagram for free. I give the links out on Instagram. So if you want to check the PDFs, they're all there on my Instagram for free. Guys, can you please follow me on Instagram, please? Join my Instagram channel. I update there kung kailan tayo nag-live. But mostly we'll try to go live every day. So, yes. Okay, so we're gonna continue because people said so. And then I'm gonna check back at 9:30 if you guys want to stop. Okay? So, yes, I upload this annotated one at the end of the live. Okay? Next, how long is a wire stretched from the top of a fence, 4m minus 2 meters high, to a point on the ground, m plus 1 meters from its base? What? Okay, How long is a wire stretched from the top to a point on the ground? So when we draw this is the fence. There, the fence. And then, this is the wire stretched from the top over here all the way to the ground over here. So, ganyan yung itsura niya, guys. So, we know that the length is 4m minus 2. Tapos, yung point on the ground is m plus 1. So, how do we get the wire stretched? So, what are we looking for here, guys? Hindi siya mahirap, guys. Kaya natin to. We can do this together. Don't be scared. Hypotenuse, yes. Ang hinahanap natin dyan ay yung distance na ito, which is the hypotenuse. So, because it's the hypotenuse, what formula will we be using? The hypotenuse formula is... What's PMO? pissing me off review. Pythagorean theorem. Okay, we're using Pythagorean theorem. So we're looking for this one, the hypotenuse. So we're using the Pythagorean theorem. How do we do that? Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Okay, remember that c squared is the longest side. So all we have to do is square a. Let's make this a and this one b. So that's 4m minus 2 squared plus m plus 1 squared is equal to c squared. Get so far? Pinasok lang natin yung 4m minus 2 squared as a, and then yung m plus 1 as b. Tuwing kailan po ginagamit yung Pythagorean theorem? Pag may hinahanap tayo na, for example, sa right triangle kasi yan. Sa right triangle, which is yung may square dito, this is A, and this is B, and then this is C. C is the hypotenuse side, and if you're looking for any of this, kunyari, given itong 5, given itong 3, hinahanap natin si A, you can use A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. As long as may right triangle. Okay? So that's how you solve for it. Laman ng diploma, it's super big, but I can't get it. It's all the way in the back. Where'd you get your resources? This one is on my Instagram. So go to my Instagram. It's all for free. Just check out my Instagram. Make sure to follow. My Instagram's over here. Isn't m plus 1 the hypotenuse? No. Kasi the wire, how long is the wire? So, yung wire, yung orange highlight. Ito yung wire, guys. Hinahanap yung length ng wire na to. And then, the distance from a point to the ground is this. Kaya siya yung nasa ilalim. Okay? Yes, it's in the drive, guys. Okay. Hypotenuse is opposite to the right angle. Yes. Okay, so how do we do this? Let's sum it now, guys. Okay. So, what do we do? Let's square this first. Is square ba siya? Yes, Nietzsche is square, guys. So, the square, you have to be able to square this quickly. This is 16m squared minus 816m plus 4. Did you get that? How did we get that? The formula for a squared plus b squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay? It's not FOIL method. It's a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So, ang ginawa natin is a squared is 16m squared. And then 2ab, 4m times negative 2 is 8m times 2 is 16m. Tapos, negative 2 squared is 4. Do we get what we did? That's how you solve for that. You should be able to solve for that quickly, but if you can't, just make sure to practice. No, there is something inside the diploma. The fake diploma lang yung binabato. Okay. Thank you. Pero pwede pa mag-foil? Hindi. Pwede naman. Same lang siya sa foil, technically. One more. Okay. What do you mean one more? Oh, let's do m. Gawin natin tong m plus 1. A squared. So, ito si A. Ito si B. Okay? Ito si A. Ito si B. Dito naman, ito si A. Ito si B. So, let's do this other one. This will be plus. Ito yung gagawin natin, guys, m squared muna. So, this will be m squared plus 2ab. 2ab is multiply this and this. That's 1m times 2 is 2m plus 2m. And then 1 squared, which is just equal to 1. So, m squared plus 2m plus 1. Yung ito. Do I have tutorial videos? I have recordings of my lives here on YouTube, but I might post. I keep saying I might post tutorials on YouTube, but so far recordings ang meron tayo, and pwede mo naman siya skip. You can watch those over there. Paano na ko yung 16? Okay, how did we get 16 here? So yung first 16 is 4m squared. Square 4. That will give you 16. Let's use this thing. 4 squared is equal to 16. And then m squared is equal to m squared. Okay? And then the second thing we did is 2 times AB. 2AB. 2AB is this times this. That's equal to negative 8m times 2. 2AB. 2AB is equal to 16m. Minus 16m. Paul, wow, Rutherford, you may want a Paul. Okay. Paul for the answer while we continue to solve. Okay. Any more questions or can we continue? We're going to continue now. Equal to c squared. Now we have to, pink formula is from m plus 1 squared. M plus 1 squared. So, yan yung pink. Okay? Yan yung pink. This one is given. This is a formula you have to remember. Is equal to A plus B squared. This is a very important formula, guys. Hindi kita yung what? Choices. Oh, choices. Sorry. Ayan. Hindi pa kasi natin nasa-solve. Okay. Okay. So, while you hula over there, hulaan nyo based on based on what it looks like na lang. Letter B. B daw ang mas madami. You can vote in the poll over here, guys. Oh, I have a pimple. It hurts. My pimple's over here. I also have a pimple. Okay, let's continue. So, ipapagsama na natin sila, guys. Yes, we're gonna simplify. Manghula pa rin kayo kahit hindi nyo makita yung choices. Simplify na natin siya. We put together 16, yung mga m squared, which will give us 17 m squared. What? I'm almost done. Nope. 17m squared. And then we put together negative 16 and 2m. What will be this term? What will be the term for m? Is it minus 14m? And lastly, we put together 4 and 1, which is plus 5 is equal to c squared. And then all you have to do, guys, since c squared pa siya, and c ang hinahanap natin, all you have to do is square root it over here. So, you just have to square root both sides pala. Square root both sides, like this. And then, pag square root mo na both sides, mawawala yung square dito. Okay? So, yes. Let's see if anybody got the answer. B daw ang sagot nila. So, the answer is letter B. Did you get letter B? Bakit siya sa square root? Kasi may c squared. Ang hanap natin ay letter C. Hanap natin yung hypotenuse. So, dapat hindi siya c squared. Dapat c lang siya. So, you have to square root both sides para mawala ang square. Okay, amazing, guys. I can't play the soundtrack, but yes. What grade? Grade 9 daw, sabi nila. Feel ko grade 8 nga eh. Clap. Yes, thank you, somebody. And hello, hi. And Zane. Okay. Next question. Oh my God. Hala. Okay. Ito masaya. Ganyan ang masaya, ang may shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region if a rectangle has dimensions 8 and 12 and the circle is inscribed in the rectangle. So, ito daw ay 8, ito daw ay 12. Find the area of the shaded region. Yes, I upload this on YouTube. I upload it every after the live. So, you can check them all out on my YouTube over here. Integrals, so far we haven't tried. Ay, nagturo ba tayo integrals? Ay, hindi pa. But yes. Hindi pa so far kasi OPCAT is only grade 7 to grade 10. So, we haven't really taught. Is this our last question for today? Are you guys solving? Ay, will we put up the poll? I'll put up the poll. College ka na po. Kakagraduate ko lang ng college, guys. I graduated college last Friday. Ay, last Friday. Oh my God, it's so far away already. Okay, poll is up. Letter A or letter C? A and C ang sagot ng mga tao. Guys, nagsusolve ba kayo? Kailangan mag-solve kayo ah. Amazing! Ano course mo? My course is Management Engineering in Ateneo. If you're asking about my course in UP, I picked Industrial Engineering. So, guys, if you don't know me, wala kasi akong pangarap. So, yes. What do I do? I picked industrial engineering kasi very flexible siya. Pero dapat magaling kayo sa math kasi madaming calculus, ganun, or physics. Pero maganda siya kasi you can go into many different fields. Yes, it's non-board, so wala din siyang board exam. Wow, thank you, Kiwi. Kiwi said they watched the live last year, guys. So this is your future. Look at Kiwi right now. This is your future if you keep watching me. I believe kahit hindi kayo mag-solve dyan, manood lang kayo. Char. Need nyo mag-solve, guys. So, watch, listen to Kiwi, watch here. Solid ang maths, yes, IE grad daw here. Thank you for watching. Why are you watching if you graduated? Puro logic? Depende kasi yan sa school. Okay, let's continue. How do we solve this, guys? Usually, di ba square ang ginagawa natin? So, medyo weird ito. Kasi rectangle siya. So, baka matakot kayo, like, how do we solve this? Brand ng water? What do you mean? This is just, oh, I don't know actually. It's just normal water. Okay. Inscribed means nasa loob siya, okay? Pero it touches the sides. I think that's what inscribed means. So, it means na the sides of them touch like this, okay? So, nagta-touch yung side nila over here. So, how do we solve this? Again, what you do is draw the formula, which is like this. Hala guys! Okay, your answers right now, your answers are letter A, 30 votes, and letter C, 31 votes. So, is it A or C? Because it's kind of a tie. I'm gonna restart the poll while I answer it, so you can copy and answer if you want. So what we're gonna do, the formula is get the area of the rectangle minus the area of the circle, which will give us the answer. Okay, answer. So first, let's get the, why? Okay, almost done. I'm almost done. No, just wait.
Is your thing palobat na?
Why?
Because I kept knocking while I was recording it. Now I have to do it all over again.
Just do it again. You don't have the mic? The guy, my brother, guys. Sorry. So we're gonna continue. I'm almost done. Go.
I'm gonna crash out.
Crash out in your...
Okay, see you.
Ooh, letter C ang sagot ng mga tao. Okay, okay. Letter C or letter A? Guys, make up your mind. Is it C or A? Okay, so what we're gonna do is get the area of the rectangle. How do we do that? Area of rectangle is equal to length times width. Length times width, guys. Where's the poll? It's over here. I think you have to click a button over here. Am I right, guys? I actually don't know if it's over here. I keep saying it's over here. Or is it here? Somebody tell me. Okay. Sabi niya, bruh, just looking at it, it's very obvious. Good for you. It's not obvious to everyone. Valedictorian magna cum laude ako ng Harvard. Wow. Kwento mo yan eh. Okay, letter A daw guys, sabi niya. Mas madami nang nag-letter C ngayon. Let's see. A is equal to length times width. Sana mali siya. Balikan natin if tama siya. Pin. Dried mango flavor. Hintayin ka namin. Magna cum laude. Hindi ba dapat summa pag valedictorian? Anyway, so length times width is equal to 8 times 12 is equal to 96. So 96 ang area ng rectangle. Now we minus the area of the square. What is the radius of the square, guys? What's the radius of the square? The circle. Area of the circle. Radius of the circle. It's 4. Oh, 4, yes, sorry. So the diameter, ang diameter niya ay 8. Diameter is equal to 8, but radius is equal to 4. Bakit 4? You're just gonna divide the radius into 2, okay? Diameter is 8, radius is 4. Diameter is 8, radius is 4. So we know that the area of a circle is pi r squared, which is equal to pi times 4 squared. So that's equal to, what's the answer, guys? Why divide? Because we're looking for the radius. Kailangan sa formula ng circle ay radius, not diameter. Yes, it's 16 pi. Kiyo Ushi. Good job. 16 pi. 16 pi. Pi, guys, has no letter E, by the way. It's just pi. Pi, no letter E. Okay. Okay. So what do we do next? We have to get the answer, which is 96 minus 16 pi. Dito pa lang, check na natin if merong sagot. Ooh. As you can see, wala pa. Wala pa ang sagot. So what we can do is we can factor out 16. Divisible silang pareho by 16. So when you divide this by 16, it will give you 6. And then divide this by 16. Labas natin pala si 16. It will give you pi. 6 minus pi, which is equal to letter C. Hala, asan na yung valedictorian ng Harvard? A daw ang sagot niya. Letter C ang sagot, guys. Shout out kay dried mango flavor. C for Christ, yes. Nawala na po siya. Bumalik na siya ng Harvard. Okay, I'm gonna recap lang what we did. So, if you guys are new here, mali yung calculation ko, na distracted daw siya. Pin natin yan. So, guys, na mali daw siya. I mean, tao lang din naman siya, guys. Kahit valedictorian siya ng Harvard, hindi naman ibig sabihin nun na hindi siya nagkakamali. 'Di ba? We forgive and we forget. Why sinubtract? Okay, bakit siya sinubtract? Okay. So, we're looking here at the shaded area. We're looking for the shaded area, right? And the shaded area is this part. So, dapat hindi kasama itong white part. Paano natin tatanggalin yung white part? Isipin mo, this is a paper. This is a piece of paper. And then, ito yung rectangle na yon, yung paper na yon. This is that. And then, bakit natin ima-minus yung circle? Kasi yung circle, yung butas dito. Yung circle is the butas that we want to remove. We want to cut it out of the paper. Kaya natin siya ima-minus para makuha natin yung shaded area, which is the blue part over here. Yung blue lang kasi yung kailangan natin. Ayaw natin ng white part. Kaya natin ima-minus yung circle. Okay? So, that's it. Get the area of the rectangle, get the area of the circle, and then that's the answer. So, technically, pwede na tong sagot. Bakit daw siya finactor? Kasi sa choices, wala sa choices yung 96 minus 16. Depende yan sa choices, guys. If you get the answer, di ba ito yung sagot? Ito na kasi yung sagot actually. This is already the answer. But if it doesn't come out sa choices, that doesn't mean mali exactly yung question. You can look back and see, baka pwede ba siya i-factor? So, ayun, finactor natin siya. Harvard naging Haggard. So, yes. So, it's nice when there are choices. And the thing is, there are choices in the UPCAT. So, even if you don't know, that you don't know how to solve it, make sure to guess. Why 16 outside? Kasi, both these numbers over here are divisible by 16. Finactor natin sila by 16. Do you guys know how to factor? Bakit pi? Kasi circle yan, guys. Pi r squared ang formula. Any more questions? I'm not Muslim, guys. I went to a Muslim town, so that's where my video came from. We did a tour in the Muslim town. Ginagamit ba yan pag susuklian ka? That's a good question. Sabi gagamitin if mag-engineer ka. Why minus? Kasi mina-minus nga natin yung circle, guys. Yung butas need siya tanggalin. Hello, Ken. What else? How to factor? How do we factor? Okay, I'll teach you guys. Let's start with a small number. 3 minus 6x. How do we factor this? Ang gagawin mo lang, guys, you're gonna take out whatever is the common factor nilang dalawa. Ang common factor nila is, alam natin, divisible sila pareho by 3. So, yung 3 na yan, ilalabas natin si 3. Gusto natin, yung common sa kanila, tatanggalin natin. I'm trying to think of a good metaphor, but I can't think of one right now. Okay. So, tatanggalin natin yung 3 from both of them. This will become 3, ilalabas na natin si 3, and then divide both of them by 3. So, 3 divided by 3 divided by 3 will give you 1. Copy the negative sign, ika-copy mo lang siya, guys. And then 3 divided by 6 divided by 3 basically, will give you 2. And then copy the variable. So, that's how you get. So, yung answer niyan ay 3 is equal to 1 minus 2x. Do we get that? I'm gonna give you another example. Cancellation method in other term. I guess so. I'm not so sure. Parang hinahanap yung lowest term niya. Tapos kung ano yung factor na tinanggal natin dun, ilalagay lang siya sa labas. Okay? I'll give one more example. Let's use pi. 16 pi minus 24. Okay, what's the answer here, guys? What's the answer here? You have to think of the greatest common fraction. Parang, di ba yung distribution method, what we do is we multiply paloob. So, parang baligtad, opposite siya nun. Okay? Yes. So, check. What's the whole answer, guys? Yes, 8 is the greatest common factor. So, hindi siya 4, guys. Pwede ang 8. So, ang magiging sagot dito, ilalabas natin si 8. And then, what is the answer sa loob? 2 pi minus 3? Yes. So, it's 2 pi minus 3. Paano siya naging 2 pi minus 3? 16 divided by 8 will give you 2. Copy the pi. Pag variable siya, kinakopy siya, guys. Copy the sign. Ika-copy din yung sign. Tapos, 24 divided by 8 will give you 3. So, the answer is 8 times 2 pi minus 3. Do we gets, or do we want another example? Wow, may natutunan ka na. Congrats, guys. That's good to know. Quadratic gets daw. Okay, so gets na natin dito. Ang ginawa natin dito, nilabas natin si 16 kasi yun yung common factor nila. Okay? One more example. I'll give you one more. Oh, wait. Let me think of a hard one. Do you want... Sige, wag na hard. Kaya ba natin? 2/3. Okay. 4, 6. X minus 1/3. Wow! Joke lang, mahirap. Wag na. What the hell? Paano pala yun? Paano yun natin lalabas? Joke lang, wag na. Mahirap pala yun i-explain. Hindi naman nila gagawin yan sa inyo. I wouldn't do that to you. Let's think of another one. 57x plus 19. Here, this one's easy. 57x plus 19, what is the answer? Matalino, unang subtract, but sa iba na siya attract. Shout out kay Frizz, asa na yung x niya? Sana nandito din ang x mo, and then, may iba na siyang kasamang mag-review sa Upcut. Char. Ay, pwede pala yung motivation, guys. Diba yung sinabi kong motivation last time is, kapag just think of the person, like if tinatamad kayo mag-aral, think of the person you hate in your high school right now, and then make sure, like, imagine them passing UP and you not passing UP. Like, that's the worst feeling ever. So I feel like that would motivate me to study. Also, if you're new here, make sure to follow. Welcome to the live. Welcome to the live, guys. Okay, but yes. Okay, where was I? Oh, so we're gonna divide this. Both of them, usually ang ginagawa, katulad dito guys, yung smallest thing, try nyo if yun na yung factor niya. As you can see dito, 16 is already the factor na ginamit dito. So, as dito, yung ginawa ko, 19 din yung factor niya. I-try nyo muna kung pasok na yung number na yan. So, we make it 19 outside, tapos divisible siya by 57 divided by 19 is 3. Copy the x, copy the plus, and then 19 divided by 3 is 1. Amazing! Okay. Okay, we get factoring now, guys. We get factoring. Next question. Are we ready to move on? What's CS review? Civil service. Guys, so I graduated with Latin honors, so technically I don't need the civil service. But I was thinking, what if I try to take it? So I was thinking to go to a review center for it and then just share the tips and tricks. But yes, I don't know yet. I'm thinking about it. Only if I have time. If it's not divisible, yun na yung lowest term niya. So you can't factor it if it's not divisible. Oh, wine ka na ni kuya. Why? Anong grade? My brother. Are we done, guys? Are we done for today? Din sa physics for UPCAT, bro, I hate physics, but I feel like if we're gonna do science, guys, there's this one, Professor Dave. So, how I studied for physics in during my time when I was reviewing for the UPCAT, I just looked for random need nyo lang i-compile yung list ng topics. Tapos from there, look for YouTube videos about it. So, yes, Professor Dave explains on YouTube was like my favorite thing to watch kasi na-explain niya ng madali. Tapos, ayun, mag-try nyo isolve, Professor Dave. Okay. Are we ready? Last na ba? Or tama na? I'm gonna put up a poll if we want to do one more because we're gonna leave. We're gonna leave before 10. So, poll. Do we want to do one more? Happy face, one more. Sad face, tama na. Happy face, one more. Sad face, tama na. Can we answer one more question? Wait, that's the question. Prof. Leonard, I'm not sure about that. I haven't watched that. Okay, we can do one more. Wait, where did the poll go? Oh no. Happy face? Okay. Ang dami pang gustong manood. Wow, ang sipag nyo naman, guys. Sana alls. Alam nyo, hindi pa, when I was reviewing for the UpCat, hindi pa uso yung TikTok, which is so crazy. Like, TikTok wasn't a thing. And then, cringe pa yung mga nagti-TikTok dati nung high school. I was like grade 11 in 2019. My bag at the back. Yes, it's a bag. It's a clear bag. One ep of Squid Game. I haven't watched Squid Game, guys. Don't say anything. I should block the my Jiwa. I was magna cum laude, so you can just guess from there. Musically, yeah, musically siya before. Okay, is the poll done? Okay, we're gonna continue. Okay, find the perimeter of the figure below. SQ is a square. Perimeter. Okay, perimeter. What is perimeter, guys? Ang meaning ng perimeter. Okay, manghula muna tayo. Poll is up. Manghula kayo. Ang meaning ng perimeter, so ito na yung, dito na pumapasok yung knowledge nyo. The perimeter is the thing that goes around the entire shape. So, ang hinahanap natin is this highlighted shape. Okay? We're not looking for anything inside. Yung mga nasa labas lang. So, lahat, imagine mo, you're a person and you're walking this lupa. And then, nakakatatot. And then, you're gonna have to walk the entire outside. Anong shape yan? That's so real. But yes. So, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? What we can do is try one by one. Base sa square. So, square daw yung may SQ. Square yung may SQ. So, isulat muna natin yung mga alam natin. Meaning daw ng SQ is square. SQ is square. Meaning, ang meaning ng square is equal lahat ng sides niya. I'm not a teacher, guys. I'm just a streamer. I want to be a gamer girl streamer, but I guess this is where we ended up. One day I will game and you guys will watch. I'm using a Samsung tablet. Letter D. Let's see. Letter A ang most nasagot right now. So you vote in the poll over here. Vote in the poll. Course goes management engineering. It's a course mostly in Ateneo. Nico, do you play Valo? Letter A ang sagot nila, guys. Is it A or B or C or D? Wala, hindi nyo hinuhulaan. Huwag kayong mangopya. Pag yan hindi A, sinasabi ko sa inyo. Pag yan hindi A, tas nalaman kong nanguhula lang kayo. You can answer the poll here. You have to press it over here. And then it will come out. Okay. So, A kasi majority wins. Okay, so let's start with this big square over here. This big square says 3A daw ang side niya. Kung 3A ang side niya, dapat 3A din to, 3A din to, and 3A din to. So, check na natin na gawa na natin this, and this. What else do we need? 3A. Next, let's do this small square over here. This square over here, A daw to. So, this is A, and A. A. Okay? Next, let's look at this square over here. C daw ang side na to. So, this is C, and C. Do we have everything? We have everything now. So, let's add that together. This will give us, what will this give us? Let's count it all together. Yung A muna. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13. So, that's equal to 13A. And then, how many B? We have 1B plus B. And then, 3C plus 3C. So, is it here? It's not here. Bakit A ang sagot nyo, guys? Paano nyo nakuha yung 5A? Guys, ang daming A, oh. Ang layo ng sagot nyo. What the freak? What the hell? Kind of live that needs to pull up on my FYP. Yes, make sure to follow if you guys are new here. We're here to help you out with very basic maths. Bakit po 3C lang? Kasi hinahanap ay yung outline. Remember, outline ang tinitignan natin. Hindi to kasama sa perimeter. Kasi when you pretend this is a building, pag inikot mo yung buong labas ng building, madadaanan mo ba yung loob? Hindi ka papasok kasi wala kang ID. So, you need to only pass the outside of the perimeter. Ayun ang perimeter. Okay? So, 3C kasi 1, 2, 3. Okay? Correct intuition ko. Technically, wala yung sagot. So, feel ko tama yung mga letter E. Letter E, Regine Velasquez. Pero, ang closest ay letter C. So, feel ko dapat letter C yung sinagot nyo. Bakit letter A ang sinagot nyo is a good question to ask. How about yung B sa taas? Yun nga yung isang B. B lang yan. Dito yung B. See over here? We put B over there. Do you have any more questions? B is 1B over here. And then si A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 yung A. Paano po naging 13A? Bibilangin lang natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay? What else? What else? Wala po kayo sa choices. Oo nga eh. Wala nga. Ha? Was that a personal attack? That's kind of crazy. Gets ko na. Thank you, Lurk. Bakit po 13? Kasi binilang lang natin yung A, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 ang A. Okay, GG na. Last question na daw yun, guys. Marami akong natutunan this night. Good job, Eman. Amazing. Yes, I am a scholar. I'm a full scholar in Ateneo. I was, Nico, before you correct me. I was a full scholar, so I didn't pay any tuition. Kasi if hindi ako nagka-scholarship sa Ateneo, I would have gone to UP. Pero ayun, check out the Aboitiz Scholarship. Hindi pa siya open, pero yes, make sure to follow me. I'll announce pag open na siya. Yes, I graduated last Friday. So sad. Noted, ate. Nico. Sorry na, Nico. Paano po yung ratio po ganyan, yung 1 square root of 2? Hindi siya magagamit dito kasi wala namang given na ano. Kasi dito, ang titignan lang is yung perimeter. So, hindi kailangan yung 1 square root of 2. Any more questions? You guys can leave, by the way. That was our last question for today. Yes, we're gonna do live every night, so make sure to follow. I'll try to go live every night. But yes, I'm also doing my internship, so yes, usually night ang magiging live natin. Science, guys, I'm scared of science. Like, we tried science the other time. So, ayan, okay na. I'll show you the science, guys. Meron ito. Parang ang hirap niya kasi, like, need mo lang siya aralin on your own. Milk is an example of, I feel like milk's a mixture. I think it's C. Like, ganun lang. Like, I think. Like, huhulaan ko ba ang mga sagot? Which substance can be decomposed chemically? I don't know. Guys, I came from a science high school, but I haven't studied science in like 4 years. Grabe naman ang 6 years. Return of service in Aboitiz is only a few hours of internship. Last 9/24. Last na daw yun eh. Mag-end na tayo, guys. Pa-boost. How long do you study at math? Well, I only study math right now. So, math, we do it like 1 hour, 30 minutes a day. Or 1 hour to 2 hours. So, yes. Yes, Professor Dave Explains for Science, guys. Check out Professor Dave Explains on YouTube. But I feel like I'll really try to make YouTube videos this month sa July. 24? 24? Next time na yung 24, guys. Assignment yan, assignment. Next live, gagawin na natin to. So, make sure to answer this. We'll end in 1 minute. Jericho Santiago, thank you for that. Make sure to follow, guys. We'll come back tomorrow, 8 p.m. Tomorrow, guys. Trust me, I'll come back. Hopefully. Yes, if hindi ako pagod. Hopefully. But if pagod ako, maybe 1 hour lang. Bye-bye. Bye, Seren. Reviewers I use the most is this PTS Mathematics. So, you can check out here yung PTS Mathematics din to. Ay, eto, hindi siya mathematics. It's Chem and Gensai. So, lahat to nasa Instagram for free. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram and join the Instagram channel, guys. Nandun sa Instagram channel lahat ng announcements kung kailan tayo magla-live. And then, ayan. Asa na? Instagram channel. Here's the Instagram channel. Let's flip my camera. Here's the Instagram channel. We click this one over here. Hala ka. Ayan. I announce when we go live, guys. Focus. Ngayon ayaw niyo na mag-focus. Why are you like this? Anyway, just join it. It's on the Instagram if you know how to join the Instagram channel. And then, no, I'm not Muslim, guys. We went to a Muslim tour, if that's what you're asking. Go check my Instagram. We went on a Muslim tour. Haha. And then we got to wear hijabs. That was fun. Di makafocus. Hala, Nico. What if, hindi ka na manood ng live para makafocus ka? Char. But yes, we're gonna end soon, guys. We should end now. Okay, make sure to follow my Jiwa. It's higher than 3.7. My Jiwa is, yes. So, required sa amin is, sa Magna is 3.7. But, yes. I got Magna cum laude, so. Bye, hello, hi. See you guys tomorrow. Make sure to follow. Tag tomorrow. We follow the, kasi. So, after this, analytic jom ang gagawin natin. As you can see here, analytic jom. Tapos, next pa ata ang trigo. Malapit natin matapos yung reviewer, guys. So, ito yung Pythagorean theorem. So, yes, we're gonna go through all of this. Ax. Sin. Ito na yung trigo, diba? Sine, cosine, tan. We're gonna do this on the next live, okay? App to use to answer the reviewer, Samsung Notes. So, my tablet is Samsung. Trig identities. Hala! We're gonna teach you the shortcut for this. Pero Nico, madami ba yung trigo sa UpCat? Feel ko hindi. Title of Chem and Gen Sci PDF. PTS Reviewer pa rin. Search nyo PTS Reviewer. Magkakasama sila sa isang folder. I'm 22 years old. So, trigo is next after Jom. Okay? So, mga matagal-tagal pa yan. Kailan admission for UP? Tapos na yung application for Form 1. So, magte-test na lang sila. Pwede ka mag-apply next year if you haven't applied. Okay. Oh, it's 10, guys. We have to go. Make sure to, if you were late, it's okay. Just check out the live. Check out the YouTube for the reviewers. Okay, I'll upload the annotated file, guys. Bye. Bye, Lily. Bye, Nico. Thank you for staying. Bye, Luxie. Bye, EB. Bye, Isa Lenore. You stayed the whole day again. Bye, Nico. Bye, Mary. Bye, Rutherfordium. Wow, you guys stayed the whole time. That's amazing. Okay, bye, guys. Bye, Zoe. This book is a PTS Mathematics. I'll upload it on Instagram again. Check it out. Check out the Instagram channel or the TikTok bulletin. Join the TikTok bulletin, guys. Wait, guys, I have to leave at 10:02. So, I'll just keep saying bye. I don't like ending on an odd number. It's annoying. Nico, sanay ka na sa ang random pet peeve ko is, ang pangit ng number na 10:01. Dapat 10:02 tayo umalis. Dapat kasi saktong 10 eh. Thank you. You're welcome, Yas and Luxie. See you tomorrow, Luxie. Thank you, Ron, for the gifts and everybody who gave gifts. Let's shout them out. Rian and Ren. Bye. Bye, period. Palindrome siya. Oo nga, maganda pa rin naman siya, Nico. Pero mas maganda yung 10:02. Bye, Bricks. Yes, Ateneo Magna. You want to see my medal, guys, before it ends? Yes, showing my medal every single... 10:02! Bye, Luxie. Bye, guys. Before we end it. Let's do. Bye!